much. Just do some, basically, put some high build primer on the under side of the bonnet, and then a little bit later I'll do a little bit of filler work and I'll record it as well. So yeah, so stay tuned for this. Don't know how this is going to work on this crappy tripod. Oop. So yeah, we'll get to it.
Keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. not paying so much attention. And when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
Moss rain washes away dead deeds of people.
So, sorry about all that noise. Now, I've put a coat over the top for the high build. Had a couple of drips in over there, couple around there, couple down there. A little bit of shit that's blown out from inside the holes, but it's all there, it's all down and that. So I'll get there and do me blending filler in here, a little bit here, and a couple down along those corners down over there, and that I repaired as well, so that will do them as well. So now it's just time to let it dry and that, and yeah, and also wear the mask and that. Anyway, I'll be back a little bit later once and after I've done the filler, and then I'll probably go over it with another coat, a high build again, and probably look at just sanding it down a little bit and making it smoother, so it's a bit more of a smoother finish. And that, so yeah, alright, thanks for watching. Back soon. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is open the tin filler up. Now, I recommend, if you can, use a smaller bit of glass or a bit of timber board. Don't use cardboard because it'll suck the moisture out of your filler. So I've gone along and see I've cleaned this top side of the glass, the other side I'll do another day, and that filler and that. So I'm only doing a couple of bits of filler, so I don't need a great deal. Now this one's been sitting for a while by the look of it. You see there's not a great deal of moisture at the top, and that, but that's okay. So we'll put that back on top. And then for that you don't need a great deal of filler, of the hardener. So normally I will put, that's probably a bit too much, but that's okay. And then I'll go through, it's hard to do this with one hand, and then we just go through and knead it. Yeah, see, that's not very moist, so I'll have to let them know. And that, scrape it off to the edge, and then knead it. Alright, so this is probably too much for what I'm needing, but it's not easy to get into where I'm needing to get into. A little bit in there, scrape that bit off, and then we're needing scrape that down under there, spread it up again. To those bits, most of that will get sanded off anyway. A few little marks in through here that I just want to get a little bit of this filler onto. And most of this will be sanded off as well. And that. And then, sorry about the camera work, trying to do this with one hand and fill this area up, so that will get taken out. And then we just quickly jump over, walk around. To the other side over here, and that, because we need to put this turned out a mess. again. I need a few small imperfections in the metal there that I want to smooth in and sand off. And then I can God, that's just atrocious. Not happy with this. So yeah, that'll do for now. Okay, now back to the paint work. Now I've laid the paint down on that, and unfortunately, because it's still drying, I'm probably going to have to go in and redo some of these areas here again. And in here, didn't sand out very well, and up through here a bit, and that. But if you look over that side there, because it's drying, it looks pretty good. Down over through there, and that, it looks fairly good too. So it's come on camera, focus. As you can see, it's a lot smoother on that side, and that, so I'll have to go in through on this side, in through here a bit, up over there, because there is something there that keeps making the paint blister, so I'm going to have to redo that spot there, through here. Basically all this side will have to be redone. I'm quite happy with the other side, so bit of a pain, but anyway, sorry. So I'm going to leave this video for now here. I will redo all that, and I will spray it again, and hopefully the second time around the rest of it will turn out better than what it has this time. Alright then, take it easy, stay safe. If you like the videos, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 so I can do some live videos and do some repairs at the same time. So yeah, so anyway, thanks for watching. Till next time, stay safe and always keep the rubber side down. Cheerio.